How to fix the media keep stopping error in Samsung A16. So let's start the video. First of all, reset your all settings. For reset your all settings, open settings, then scroll down and click on general management. After clicking on general management, open reset and then click on reset all settings, and then again click on reset settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then go back and check your software updates. Here you can check your software updates. If it doesn't update the latest software, then update it to latest software. After updating the latest software, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.